Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words light and light. Let's look at each one individually. Light can be a noun, verb, or an adjective. Refers to illumination or brightness, can also mean not heavy. For example, as a noun, the light in the room was very bright. As a verb, please light the candle. As an adjective, this box is light enough to carry. Light, an adjective, meaning a variant of light, often used to describe a product that has fewer calories or a lighter version of something. Commonly found in food and beverage branding. For example, I prefer to drink light beer because it has fewer calories. This is a light version of the original dessert recipe. To summarize, light is used in various contexts: physical light, weight, and metaphorical uses. Light is primarily used in marketing and food contexts to indicate a lighter or lower calorie option. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.